To start the bleaching process, I'm going to use a photographic silver gelatin print. I'm taping it onto a board where I'll be working with it upright. Here I'm using standard household bleach, which I'm pouring into a ceramic bowl. Please wear protective gloves for this technique. Now with a brush, you can start to add the bleach to the paper itself. I'm using pure bleach, but you can water down the bleach if you want the reaction to be slower. On the silver gelatin paper, you'll normally find that the bleaching will allow the red dye to come through in the end. And the longer you leave it on, the more dramatic the effect. Here I'm working with a smaller brush and just feathering in the bleach into some of the areas that have not reacted. The more you add, the stronger the reaction. And the longer that you leave it on the paper, the more the bleaching process will continue. And the effect starts to look like flames. The process won't stop, it'll just continue, and eventually the entire picture will just turn red. If you want to halt the process, then you need to put it in a tray and pour water over it. Wash off the print and then leave it to dry before photographing it. In this demonstration, I've used a lot of bleach to show you what is possible, but the process can be done very subtly as well. If you don't want the bleach to run as an effect, lay the print down on a flat table and start to apply the bleach accordingly. Now you'll be able to bleach in specific areas without affecting the rest of the print. As a demonstration, let me show you how far you can take this technique. I've added a lot of bleach to the print and now I'm going to rub it off with a paper towel. In some places you'll see that it's gone right back to the white base of the paper. Very grungy and perhaps a touch over dramatic. This paper will also allow you to then use heat to add even more grunge to the print. I recommend that you bleach first and then burn later. Now for a completely different look, I'm going to use standard photorealistic inkjet paper. I'm going to add the bleach in exactly the same way. But now you'll see, instead of the red dye bleaching through, on the inkjet paper, the green ink starts to bleach through. At the same time, the print will get lighter and lighter. Once photographed in Adobe Camera Raw, you can play around with specific colors, contrast, and density, and achieve some interesting results. As you can see, adding bleach to this photorealistic inkjet paper can really help to create a beautiful high-key look. And the more bleach you add, the lighter and lighter the print is going to get. Both papers are completely different, but the effects are quite dramatic.